Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic HTML structure. So before we begin with the structure of HTML, let us first learn what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of a web page. It consists of a series of elements. These elements tell the browser how to display the content. The elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, and this is a link, etc. Now let us see what is the structure of a HTML document. As you can see, this is the basic structure of a HTML document. It mainly consists of tags which are enclosed within angular braces. The structure of a HTML document is mainly divided into two parts, that is the head and the body. The head contains the information about the HTML document. For example, it contains the title of the page, version of the HTML, metadata, etc. Body. This contains everything you want to display on the web page. It could be an heading, it could be a paragraph, or it could be an image. Now, let us discuss in detail about each tag that is used in the structure of an HTML document. The first tag, that is the doctype HTML, it always starts with an exclamation mark. This tag is used to tell the HTML version. This currently tells that the version is HTML 5.0. The next tag is the HTML tag. The HTML tag is a root element of HTML. It is the biggest and main element in the complete HTML language. All the tags, elements, and attributes are enclosed in it, or we can say are wrapped in it. It is used to structure a web page. The HTML tag also contains a closing tag. The closing tag is usually accompanied by a backslash followed by HTML and is enclosed within angular braces. The head tag in the adjacent example contains the title tag. The title tag is used to store website name or content to be displayed. In this example, we have the page title written under the title tag. It displays the website name as page title. There are many other tags which can also be used inside the head tag. The link tag. It is used to add or link CSS file. The meta tag. It is used to store data about website, organization, creator or owner for responsive websites via attributes and to tell compatibility of HTML with browser. The script tag. It is used to add JavaScript file. The next tag is the body tag. A body tag is used to enclose all the data which a web page has from text to links. All the content that you see rendered in the browser is contained within this element. The following tags and elements are used in the body. The h1 to h6 tags are used to add headings to the web page. The h1 tag gives the largest font size and the h6 tag gives the smallest font size. Next is the P tag. The P tag stands for paragraph. It is used when a paragraph is to be added to the web page. Each paragraph is enclosed within a P tag. Next is the div and span tag. The div tag defines a division or a section in a HTML document. It is used as a container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. It is easily styled by using the class or ID attribute. Any sort of content can be put inside the div tag. By default, browsers always place a line break before and after the div element. The span tag is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. It is easily styled by CSS or manipulated with the JavaScript using the class or ID attribute. The span tag is much like the div element, but div is a block level element and span is an inline element. Next is the B, I and U tags, which are nothing but bold, italics and underline. The content specified under these tags are made bold, italics and underline respectively. Next, we have the LI, UL and OL tags. The LI tag defines a list item. The LI tag is used inside ordered lists, unordered lists and in menu lists. In UL, the list items will usually be displayed with bullet points. In OL, the list items will usually be displayed with numbers or letters. Next, we have the IMG tag. The IMG tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The IMG tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The IMG tag has two required attributes, SRC. It specifies the path to the image. Alt. It specifies an alternate text for the image if the text for some reason cannot be displayed. The audio tag is used to embed sound content in a document such as music or other audio streams. The audio tag contains one or more source tags with different audio sources. The browser will choose the first source it supports. The text between the audio tags will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the audio element. The video tag is used to embed video content in a document, such as a movie clip or other video streams. This tag contains one or more source tags with different video sources. The browser will choose the first source it supports. The iframe tag specifies an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. Next is the table tag. It defines an HTML table. An HTML table consists of one table element and one or more tr, th and td elements. The tr element defines a table row, the th element defines a table header and the td element defines a table cell. The thead tag is used to group header content in an HTML table. The thead element is used in conjunction with the tbody and tfoot elements to specify each part of a table. Browsers can use these elements to enable scrolling of the table body independently of the header and footer. Also, when printing a large table that spans multiple pages, these elements can enable the table header and footer to be printed at the bottom and top of each page. The thead tag must have one or more tr tags inside. The form tag is used to create an HTML form for user input. These are some of the basic tags that can be used inside the body element. There are multiple tags which are available in the HTML language. Thank you and have a good day.